Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. I'm going to be making some cookies. I know Christmas is over with, but these were requested, so I'm trying to get some requests still in there, so hang in there with me, guys. But you can never have enough cookies, right? Well, at least in my book, we always have good cookies around here, but these are some chocolate chip peanut butter oatmeal cookies. They're a good cookie, and I wanted to jump on here and do these with y'all. So let's go ahead and get started. In the bowl here, I have a half a cup, which is 1 stick of real butter, and it is salted butter I use. That way you know, if I use all of my recipes, just about are salted butter. That way I know how much salt I'm gonna go ahead and put in there. So, but anyway, there's the stick of butter, which is 1/2 cup, and I'm gonna cream that with my 1/3 cup of brown sugar and a half a cup of white sugar. Okay. Now I'm gonna beat this up here. I don't want it to be too noisy for you guys. I'm using my decan mixer today. I decided to check this one out. Am I too close? I know I always hand mix everything, but my wrists are getting bad. I'll drop the link in the description for y'all if anybody's interested, and it's good quality for a good price. So nowadays we're all looking for good prices, but I like this one. So let's get this beat up. I'm going to beat this up for 2 or 3 minutes. Okay. Just until we get it nice and creamy, guys. And I'll get back with y'all. Again, I forgot. Preheat your oven to 350. Now, I'm going to add in a half a cup of peanut butter to that. Get this in there. Okay. Getting it all out of there. That's a half a cup of peanut butter. Get my little. So how did everybody's, well, not like you can, I can hear you, right? But I hope you all had a beautiful New Year's. A safe one. We had a good one. Enjoyed our black eyed peas. I know that. Okay, I'm just going to incorporate this peanut butter. This little sucker's powerful. But anyways, get this mixed up. Now, I'm going to get my egg in. That's 1 egg. Always have your eggs to room temperature. A lot of times I forget and get you, I didn't even get mine preheated. Get you your cookie sheet lined with some parchment if you have some. It's just easier cleanup, and you get a better even browning on your cookie at the bottom if you use parchment paper. But you don't need it, Didn't use it years ago. But I'm going to get my cookie sheets out of the oven over here. I'll probably just use this big one. Alright. Get our egg mixed in there. Can you guys see there? Alright. Just gonna get that egg mixed in. Alright. Turn that off. Okay. Okay. Now, let me get this out of the way. We have some flour there, some all-purpose flour, 1 cup. 1 cup of all-purpose flour and 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix that right in. with the flour. Give it a whisk. Get it all mixed in there. Just get it mixed up. Kind of sift that flour a little. Okay. All right. Let me get over here and add my 1 teaspoon of vanilla to that. Stir it in. I like to hand stir that in because a lot of times this bowl's not too deep and that vanilla, I'll lose most of it with the hand mixer. So stir that in, unless you got a deep bowl. Okay, well there's my 1 cup of flour and my soda and salt. Mix in a little bit at a time here. Let that sugar and butter start doing its thing, absorbing that flour. Okay. Okay, that's just about mixed in, just until you barely see any more flour. Then you can stop. Okay. Now to that, I'm going to add in my 1/2 cup of quick oats. It's a 1/2 cup. Half a cup of quick oats. And here I'm just kind of tossing and pressing. Folding it over. That way I don't do a whole lot of stirring. Now I got 1 cup of chocolate chips. I like semi-sweet chocolate chips. That's 1 cup. 1 cup. Sorry guys if you hear anything in the back. My son's back there playing his video game. Okay, so now we'll get this mixed up. And I've made these and I haven't chilled the dough. Then there's times I have chilled the dough. But today it's kind of warm in the house. I am in Texas, so, and that's it. I basically just get the chips mixed in. Everything's incorporated. I could eat that stuff just like that, but anyways, tempting. I'm going to stick it in the freezer. Maybe 15 minutes. And we'll be back. Alrighty. I chilled it for 15 minutes. More firm. Now, you can use an ice cream scoop for these. I like to... I can't believe I still haven't purchased one. Shame on me, right? But I have my lined cookie sheet here with some parchment paper. Now, when I don't have my cookies... My grandbabies, my granddaughters, they like to get into my stuff and play bake. You know, they use all my utensils, and Grandma can't tell them no, and they end up in their toy boxes outside. So it's like I'm gonna have to buy some and hide them from them or something. But I could use the tablespoon and just drop them on there. But cause I like to just drop them in my little quarter cup like that. And I like that kind of rustic look when you take it up out of there, like the ice cream scoop will give you. Then I'll just bring it down, flip it over on the rounded side, and just kind of shape it on itself. But if you got an ice cream scoop, just use that. It's just how I'm doing it. I don't want to get it all over my hands. But I'm going to get these on the cookie sheet, guys. And we're going to get us some cookies going. Alright, I got them on there. Just going to pat them down just a little, not too much. They are going to spread some, guys. And we don't want I don't want super thin cookies. Just pat them down some. Now you're going to cook these until they lightly brown around the edges. I'll let you know how long mine take. It's usually probably between 11 to 13 minutes, but I'll let you guys know. But we're going to pop them in the oven. Okay, my friends, mine cooked for 12 minutes. Now, on these, I wanted to show you what I like to do because I love chocolate. I'll let them set here maybe 4 to 5 minutes, then I'll pierce them. Let them finish flattening out, that's what they'll do. And then you can pierce them with a few chips. And those chips will get nice and soft, but let them set before you do that. Let them, you know, deflate, I guess you would say, because they kind of sink after they set. That's why I said don't press them too hard. But I'm gonna, like I said, mine cooked for 12 minutes, and then on this hot cookie sheet, of course, they continue to cook. Let them cool a good 4 to 5 minutes on the sheet, and then you can pierce them with some more chips, and then you can go ahead and remove them and get them on your cooling rack. But I got some more to bake up, and we'll get them set up. Alrighty, my friends, there they are. Cooled down and ready to eat, and one's already missing, and they are delicious. But my second, I had 2 more to bake because I got a dozen out of mine. But by all means, you can get 2 cookies out of that 1/4 cup. You know, you can actually get 2 dozens, but you'll have to adjust your cooking time. Just keep an eye on them. But like I said, our ovens are different. Keep an eye on them. Don't overbake them. Make them the size you'd like. Mine are 1/4 cup size. The second batch took 11 minutes, and the first one took, I believe I said 13. And the cookies do spread, so spread them out pretty well. But I hope you guys give these a try, and let me know what you think. And until then, happy holidays once again, guys, and God bless, and like and subscribe as always, and we will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.